And what used to be routine for many of us changed so much during the pandemic. Mental health experts say it's easy to feel overwhelmed, anxious, and stressed.
Fox Carolina's Carrie Weimer sat down with a mental health expert in the upstate to understand the impacts of all of this. She's live this afternoon with more. Carrie?
That's right, guys. I climbed up on that proverbial couch today to talk to Dr. Jane Price. She's been a licensed counselor for almost 20 years. She says the pandemic is a good time to take a negative and turn it into a positive. Take a look. The year 2020, it'll be remembered for a global pandemic, quarantines and shutdowns, and an emotional election, all of which mental health experts say takes a toll mentally for people in different ways. Dr. Jane Price, a licensed professional counselor, says part of being human is needing that human connection. But instead of focusing on what we can't do right now, we should use this time to reassess our direction.
This is the time really when we have time to better ourselves. We now can take the time to learn how to get rid of behaviors that we haven't been serving us.
Dr. Price says throughout the years, every time there's been difficulty, the underlying message that comes out of it is that things can always happen, but it's the way we think about it and what we do with it. Now, she taught me another thing today that I want to teach you guys. Cody, you and Tori, you need to try this back at the station. It's a little breathing exercise. If you have anxiety like I do sometimes, you breathe in for 4 seconds and you breathe out for 6 seconds. And the reason you breathe out longer than you breathe in is to get rid of that dioxide, that sits right here in your chest. So she says, take your time, really breathe it in and let it out. You'll be surprised at how much calmer you feel. Are you guys trying it right now?
I'm going to try it.
Going to. In the commercial break, we will.
Might be some awkward silence if we do it on the air, Carrie.
Carrie, thank you.